Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of lugging out the big blender every time you want a smoothie or quick shake, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about the best bullet blenders of 2025. These compact little machines will make your blending so much easier, faster, and even more fun. Let's dive right in. Next up is the Nutribullet Select 2.0, and this one's for all you serious smoothie makers out there. With a 1000 watt motor, this blender can handle tough ingredients like nuts, seeds, and fibrous veggies. It's got enough power to whip up smoothies, shakes, and even soups with ease. Plus, it comes with a 32-ounce cup, which means you can make larger batches in one go. It's simple to use with just a couple of controls to choose from. And the best part is how easy it is to clean. Just pop the cup in the dishwasher, and you're done. If you want something that gets the job done quickly without a ton of hassle, this is the one for you. Ready to level up your blending? Check out the Nutribullet Select 2.0 in the description and blend your way to greatness. Alright, kicking things off with the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. This thing is a beast when it comes to personal blending. It's got a 700 watt motor that can tackle pretty much any ingredient you throw at it. Smoothies, shakes, or even frozen fruits for those cold, refreshing drinks. The best part? It comes with two 16-ounce cups with spout lids, so you can just blend and go. No mess, no extra cleanup. What I love about the Ninja Fit is its pulse technology. This gives you total control over the blending process, so you can make sure everything's perfectly smooth. Plus, the compact size makes it easy to store in even the smallest kitchens. Want a blender that's quick, portable, and easy to clean? Check the description for the link to the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender and get blending today. Now we've got the Magic Bullet Blender, a true classic in the world of bullet blenders. It's compact, it's simple, and it gets the job done. With its 250 watt motor, it's not as powerful as the others on this list, but it's perfect for quick smoothies or shakes. If you're someone who just needs a small, easy to use blender for soft fruits and veggies, this is all you need. It comes with an 11-piece set, so you've got a variety of cups and lids to mix and match depending on what you're making. Honestly, for the price, this blender is hard to beat. It's budget-friendly and super practical for everyday use. Looking for a super affordable, easy-to-use blender? Check out the Magic Bullet Blender link in the description and grab yours today. If you want the freedom to blend anywhere, then the Cuisinart RPB-100 is the one for you. This is a cordless, rechargeable blender that's perfect for those on the go. Whether you're at home, at the gym, or even at a picnic, you can blend your smoothies or shakes without being tied down to a wall outlet. The 16-ounce cup is perfect for single servings, so you can blend your drink and take it with you. It's also got a sleek design, which makes it look cool sitting on your kitchen counter. Plus, the 7.4-volt lithium-ion battery ensures you can blend for a decent amount of time before needing to recharge. Want a blender that's cordless and portable? The Cuisinart Evolution X RPB-100 is your best bet. Check the description for the link. And last, but certainly not least, we've got the Beast Mini Blender Plus. This 600 watt mini blender is perfect for making smoothies, shakes, dips, dressings, and just about anything else you can think of. It comes with multiple vessel sizes, so you can switch up your blending based on how much you're making. Plus, it even comes with a straw cap and straws, which makes it super convenient for drinking your blended creations on the go. I love how sleek and modern this blender looks, and with its power, you can blend just about anything. It's a little bigger than some of the other bullet blenders, but the extra features make it totally worth it. Looking for a high-powered, stylish blender? Check the link to the Beast Mini Blender Plus in the description and start blending like a pro. And there you have it, 5 of the best bullet blenders for 2025. Whether you need something small and portable or something with a little more power, these blenders will make your life so much easier. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more info and to grab your new favorite blender.